Hard Rock Park opened in Myrtle Beach in 2008 and only lasted one season. Then Freestyle Music Park opened up in its place the following year, then closed in 2009. This roller coaster was the highlight of both parks.
I want you to think about the good things in life. And I want you to put your hands together for the good things.
When driving down this road here, you wouldn't really know that there was an extremely large, relatively impressive roller coaster right there, right behind those trees. Now, it's a vacant plot of land. Truth be told, I rode this coaster twice. I only visited the park once for one day, and this thing was good. I would compare it to something like the Hulk at Universal Studios. It was a very impressive ride. What you see here would have been the backside of the coaster's loading dock. You would have seen a very large blimp, which makes sense, Led Zeppelin. And now, as you can see, nothing.